currently 5:05 in the afternoon. And nakapag-check-in na kami. I mean, online check-in, travel tap. So, the last thing na lang is immigration. Guys, we just passed the immigration and now we're gonna go to, I don't know where, we're gonna go straight to the hotel. Hindi ko alam kung kakain muna kami, but yeah, we're now here. Kakanin ka. After how many hours? We're now here sa hotel. It's our room. It's a small family room. Single bed and double bed. Aircon, TV. And there's a ref here. And we have our things here. I think this is the closet. Tapos ito yung toilet. Yo. So, yeah. Lalabas pa kami para bumili ng pagkain for dinner. And it's already 12:29. 12:29. Going to, where are we going, ma'am? So we're going to Tofu Skincare. We will just mainly do shopping today. So we're now going to Platinum Mall. Galing na kami sa mga tiyanggi-tiyanggihan. Wow, the interior is very nice. Pero yan. Itang goang. Time check, 5:16. Andito na kami sa hotel. Yeah, magpapahinga lang muna kami. And then, lalabas kami para mag-picture kasi wala akong masyadong picture ngayon. Meron kaming booking sa Louis Vuitton ng 5:30 pero kinancel na namin kasi pagod na. Papahinga lang kami and then later, lalabas ulit. Tapos, mamayang gabi, magna-night market kami. Meron akong nabili sa Platinum white skirt kasi kailangan ko siya bukas. Because our theme tomorrow is khaki and white. Ito yung nabili naming lip tint. Sabi nila super long lasting daw to. I mean, hindi naman super, pero long lasting. So, we will see.
We stand on the opposite shore. Hello. Show me where the ending goes. Honestly don't. I should be the last to know. All in this, I stand alone. Show me where the ending goes. Honestly don't. I should be the last to know.
Our day 3 in Bangkok. So, hinihintay na lang namin yung isang boat. Tapos, another stop ulit. Medyo mainit yung araw ngayon. It's 11:20. And the temperature is, so it's 33 degrees. Super init. Next, kahit mo. This is our outfit today. Yung outfit namin is khaki and white.
Hello, Mona. I mistook you for a dream. The engine glows, and I guess you always seem to know. Hello, I push back the serious feeling, the end's unknown, to get back the life I used to know. All in this, I stand alone. Show me where the ending goes. Honestly don't. I should be the last to know. All in this, I stand alone. Show me where the ending goes. Honestly don't. I should be the last to know.
Hey guys, we're back sa hotel. I will do a 7-Eleven haul. So, binili ko ulit yung dumplings because I like them. Tapos, bumili kami ng snacks for later. Cornet. Iba ko ng sour and cream. So, today's na sour and cream. Trending din sa TikTok. Ito rin, hindi ko alam kung ano to. Tapos, hindi sa akin to pero Dutch meal. Bakit ang laki? Tapos, for dessert, we have brownie dip. So, meron siyang sauce sa taas. Tapos, yung brownie bites. Yun lang. Tapos, bumili kami ng noodles sa supermarket. So, this is my noodles. Ooh, perfect. So, I have this cup noodles, Nissan cup noodles, seafood creamy soup. Ooh, nag-taxi na lang kami pa uwi. So, galing kami ng Chinatown. Medyo malayo, mga 40 minutes if magbabus. Tapos, kung taxi naman, pero binook ko siya sa Bolt. Pero kung taxi naman, nasa 15 minutes lang. Or 10 minutes, ganun. Depende sa traffic. So, yeah. It's it. Ito na yung dinner namin.
Our flight ticket, our SIM,
So, ito yung sauce ng dumplings. Masarap to, yung sauce.
wala na kaming pera kaya nagkaka-noodles na lang kami. Pero ito yung
wala na akong masyadong gastos sa pepperoni kasi
Wala kaming ibang ginawa ngayon kung hindi mag-hop on, hop off. 21.
Huwag ko, malapino rin kayo. Oh, yan o.
Ito, there.
Tama tayo sa 7-Eleven. Tama.
magkabit mo kayo.
It is day 4 in Bangkok. Mag 15 minutes. 15 minutes makeup challenge kasi mabagal kami mag-ayos. I'm just wearing a white t-shirt and a black, denim skirt. A very, very chill outfit today. And my blue special. Because we are gonna do some shopping today. Joke. Another window shopping. Tapos mamayang gabi magpapalit kami. Because mamaya na yung dinner cruise. So this is my look. I'm wearing this white t-shirt from Uniqlo and this denim skirt na dala ko. This one is from Shein and my shoes. So we are now going to Coke here. Babalik kami kasi dapat kahapon pa kami bumalik. Ang daming ano dito. Ang daming para siyang ano. Siksik. Andito lahat yung mga ano. Mga fake stuff. Mga Grand Divisoria na ewan na naka-aircon. Tayo pindutan ng elevator.
Fourth floor. The door is open.
Ano masasabi mo? May araw na kami lahat. Umaga pa lang. So we are now on our way to Platinum Mall. Ganito yung ano nila, regular bus. Para siyang jeep. Live action! Live action! Bakit ang gulo niyo? This is my outfit for tonight.
Ayan yung sulat kong shoes. Sinulat mo. Sulat ko na lang yung bed.
Denyo! Uy! Denya, Blackroot!
Don't you send me, guys?
So, we're on our way sa dinner cruise, pero umuulan. Pero hopefully mamaya tumila. So, 5:49. Maaga kami umalis kasi traffic and rush hour.
Okay, kayo na yan. Dapat pa naman Pilipinas.
Pero mas Gar! Stop! Nana?
Powder.
Kaya pa na yun.
Picture mo kami kami.
Dito kami sa second floor. Hindi siya open kasi umulan.
Hang on. Yan ang mag-play.
Saturday, everybody.
Game.
Tapos na yung cruise, dinner cruise. So now, uuwi na kami. Sige, picture lang sila. Time check, it's 9:55. So makaka-uwi na kami mga 11 or 10. Joke, 11. Kasi medyo malayo yung hotel. Kung hindi kami magta-taxi. Pero kanina, super tagal namin sa taxi kanina kasi super traffic. Kasi rush hour. Like, mga 1 oras kami sa taxi. Eh, dapat mga 30 minutes lang yung ride na yun. So yeah, this is my view. So nice. We're here sa Icon Siam. Tapin niya nata? Pakulong. Pakulong market.
Ayan, Paklong Tunnel.
Joke.
Yan. Next Paklong. May balag mo ka na. May balag mo rin. Ayan na. Hindi mo pa